Making a 3D cat. So this is the normal version and this is the 3D printed version. Hi everybody, this is Rainbow Kitty Cattycorn, and have you ever wanted to engage in 3D? In this second episode, we will quickly recap on the first episode. You will learn about the new theme, watch till the end to find out, and in the end, you will see a 3D cat that I made with you as an example. In the first video, we learned to save, create a new part, and make a 3D shape. Watch till the end to see the first video. Now, let's get started. In this video, you will learn how to make a face of a 3D cat. When you first open up a new Solidworks tab, the first thing you see is an empty screen. In order to build a cat, open the button right next to the Solidworks logo. You should see the word File. Click on that and you should see New, Open, or whatever else you have. Click on New or click Ctrl N to get the same result. You should be seeing a select screen now. In this video, you will be clicking and using the first thing you should see, Part. After selecting the Part picture, click OK. You should be seeing a screen with tools and words on top. When you see the screen, click Sketch, which is under the revolved bar/base and right next to Features. Once you click on the sketch, choose a plane from below the Materials Not Specified thing. Click on which plane you want, and above the features, click the sketch logo theme. And after that, you can either click on the areas of shapes above the Mesh Modeling button. This line, circle, spline, which is a line that can basically curve, corner rectangle, center point arc, ellipse, or basically a changeable circle, in this case, text, straight shot, and polygon. We will be using the circle. Now, click on the circle shape. This is the circle button. After that, click and drag to make a circle you want. Click on the check mark and then exit the sketch by clicking the blue arrow under the rectangular thing that's missing in the line. If you want to make a tunnel, then look at the first video for guidance. But anyways, click on the Features button and click Extruded bar/base. This will make the 2D shape 3D. Adjust the thickness for which you want, and now it's time to make some eyes. For the head thickness, I'm doing 20 millimeters. Do the same exact process for the head, but make the eyes smaller than the head and the pupil smaller than the eye shape. Copy and paste the eyes to another part of the head, and now here's the part where when you 3D print, you can make the pupils more visible. If you still need help, then you can see this for guidance. So you create a circle, check mark, adjust, copy, like this, copy, paste, adjust again, make another circle, this time smaller than the original eye, put it here, copy and paste. I'm doing this like this eye. You can make it smaller to match, but this is an example, so don't take it really seriously. After that, click on this rectangle thingy, and then Now it's time for stacking these 3D shapes to get a better 3D print. Quick sketch, like we already did, and click the sketch button. Click on the plane, and now click Convert Entities. Click on the pupils and click the check mark after you click on all the pupils. After that, click Features. Then Extruded Cut. And then cut the pupils. I'm doing 20 millimeters. And if this doesn't work, you can just select quarters. Like this. And again, you may have to do this sometimes again. And you may have to adjust the size and things like that. But for now, we're gonna do it like this. Or you don't need to do all of these, you can just exit out, discard changes, and make these 3D. But for the ears, click on sketch, click the sketch theme. You can click on the plane before that. And now we're using polygons, which is a hexagon. Change the sides to 3. Make a triangle. You can adjust the size, turn the triangle to whatever degree you want for the slanted effect. And then make the triangle. Click on the check mark. You can copy and paste it, or you can make another one. Let me do this first. Put here. And again on the plane. And then check mark and Control G for whatever mistakes you made. And look, now it's a beautiful triangle. But how do you make it 3D again? Well, go to Features and click on the extruded bar/base. Choose the thickness. I'm doing 20 yet again. And after that, it's time to adjust this. So you can edit the feature once you made a mistake. And you can either do thin features, or you can make another triangle for the ear pit. But this time, click on the ears. Adjust the position you want. I'm doing this. I'm not going to make it 3D for now. Adjust these. Exit. And now, how do you make the mouth? It's funny for the mouth. Click on the sketch area. Before that, make a triangle for the nose. And now it's for the actual mouth. Click on spline. But before that, click on front plane. And now from the nose, make a curve. Start on one point, continue, then click on another point and repeat the process until you have the desired look. I'm doing it like this. Now double click and voila. And you finally made a cat. This is a beautiful cat face. And now you can just save. You could call this whatever you want. And remember that like the spine, they would actually show up in 3D print, but it's still useful to have like this thing, so you can use like a thing to like draw it on top. But thanks for watching, and now make sure to like and subscribe and check out the first video.